Welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Today we have 3 surprises of Playdoh. The first one, Goofy! Mickey Mouse and friends, Goofy! How are you? Oh, Goofy, wait, this is the camera. Oh, no! Goofy, where is the camera? Where? Oh, Goofy, wait a minute, please. Where's the camera? I will destroy the camera. Oh, Goofy, no. Oh, no, Goofy. Oh, it was a joke. Okay, next one is Donald Duck. Oh, Donald Duck. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine, Donald Duck. What's this? The feet off? I don't know. Let me show you. Mickey Mouse! Hi there! Oh, Mickey Mouse, what are you doing? I'm playing with Goofy and Donald Duck. Oh, okay, Mickey Mouse. Thank you very much. Until next time. Bye-bye.